You want? Some? Coffee and honey. That's a first.
That's my new thing.
We are at the train. It's Malelane. It's Malelane. Mamiro. Mamiro. Exciting. Whiskey. It is the excitement.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Sekesete. Excitement. Huh?
That's the first gate in 400 meters.
Excitement, 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 excitement. It was a begin.
Mama was a rolling stone. I need that thing now.
What's it?
Just bandage now.
Maybe there's a sighting nice of crocodile. Yay! Finally in the Kruger National Park.
Not quite yet.
Huh?
But not quite yet.
Look for them.
There's just ducks.
Just water.
Yeah.
Huh? There's a crocodile. It's a.
So
So you don't mind, eh?
I don't mind. More than welcome, Bafu.
Sure. This is how it looks first.
Yes. That would look first.
Wow.
Then it transforms to
That beautiful thing there.
yeah.
Pretoriuskop. Reception, I will see it. Let's do the right thing. Laundry shop. Reception. Joubert. Restaurant shop information. Mpumalanga. Campsite. Kwenye sauti?
So we're trying to get to the fence first.
Main entrance. Ranges. Stand the change level.
But let's try to find another one that's
Chimakashi level.
perfect.
Ura na drivers huyo. These are perfect, eh?
Oh, that one is nice and open.
Which one?
Okay.
Yeah. We are here at Pretoriuskop campsite, and these are the available campsites. It is so difficult to decide. Okay, so welcome to Pretoriuskop. Just want to quickly show you this mess here that we are about to deal with. We just got here about 30 minutes ago. We took some time trying to choose the best spot for the camp this weekend. These are the remaining campsites that are available by the fence, and we wanted to be by the fence. As you can see, the Explorer is still stacked up. So Marike and I need to start working on setting up camp, our home for the next 2 days. Yeah, but I'm gonna take you through it. So I'm gonna set up tent, then I'll show you our setup once we are done. But this is what we have now at the moment. This is what it looks like. Say hi, Mariki. Yeah.
Hey. This is where you've been wearing your glasses. I think that's all the wood we will need. We need more.
So now, I just want to look at the meat. The fridge is saying it's running at 30 degrees. This fridge is broken. I took it in for repairs. I don't know what they did there. But anyway, so this is the stuff that we've packed for the trip. We've got milky almost finished. So most of these things, in fact all of them, we took from the fridge at home. These are from the fridge. There's chakalaka there. Mariki made it last night. Butter is from at home. Turkey sauce from the house. And then this is alcohol. And then those who know, this is muswane. This we use when we cook the goat meat. Muswane wambuzi for the goat. So this side here, this is a makeshift separation to allow, you know, the frozen stuff to be on this other side of this. So I put a plastic chopping board there because we don't have a fridge freezer. This is a fridge freezer, so we don't have two compartments. It's burgers there. These are for the rolls, force. And then this is eggs for the hard-boiled chicken. I think it's called Cornish. These are lamb chops for fry. This is the chicken. This is the Cornish chicken. This is what we're gonna make tonight. So we're gonna eat half of this and then maybe have the rest tomorrow or any other day. But yeah, we'll cook all of it. And then this is the goat meat that we got from vendor. So there's goat meat. This is some short rib for the braai. This is chicken for braai, frozen. Also chicken here. This is, what is this? Brisket for braai. These are steaks, sirloins. Yeah, so this is all the meat that we have here. We took this from the fridge at home, so we don't have to buy, you know, food when you go camping, because there's already food at the house. So that's all the meat that we have, plus the muswane there for the goat. Let's put it underneath here so that it maintains the temperature, because we don't want it to go off and then cause problems with the muswane. There we go. So yeah, basically that's what the fridge looks like. It's like for this trip. Okay, so here we just finished setting up the ice machine, so I'm just gonna switch it on here. Need some ice for the beverage, so it doesn't take that much time to make ice. That's your scoop there on top. That's our hard-body chicken that we're gonna cook now. Still frozen, but it was thoroughly cleaned before it was frozen, so I think we can just put it in the boat just like that. The snacks are in the inside the car. London.
Yes.
Yani. Ne bu giz? Eyvallah.
Yeah, it, okay.
Listen, listen. What a minute. Huh? Nani? Umechuza? Oh. Huh? Isha nani? Yovea mtoto machika kabisa. Great. Huh? How does it feel?
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Aye,
Twice in one day.
aye.
Yeah, twice.
Yes.
One day.
Chambuela ni rije koko zangu chadzulisa zvone ko. Idzura kantuza ko. Ndiyo record. So we just had a little bit of a problem. We are preparing to cook hard body chicken and pap. When I took out this burner, for some reason something broke it here. So this pipe here, this pipe that connects this cut here, and it is broken, so which means that this thing right here is leaking until we find new parts to replace this part here, and then put a new joint and we can use it. Unfortunately, I always, and Mariki doesn't like it when we take a lot of things. Like when I decided to take this extra burner, this is canister. Tonight we'll be able to cook up using this. Otherwise, you can use the fire. But we'll decide, because I wanted to also cook some peanuts. We bought raw peanuts, so I wanted to make those using the pot there. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Just want to make sure I am not over indulging. Do you agree it should be the case?
I'm doing well.
What are you doing there, Mariki? Yeah, making pap to eat with what? What's happening, Mariki?
Making some pap
For what?
to eat with our hot body chicken.
For the eating, for the consumption.
Our welcome meal.
That's our starch.
Every day.
Welcome meal. And as always, there has to be a hard body chicken at camp. Smells so good. Now we're cooking some peanuts here. Just follow others.
else are a little bit younger, you can still see there's a little bit of dark on their legs. So when they're born, they're almost born black in color.
This roadblock can only mean one thing. We're going to sleep,
No, I'll come back for next time.
Second time to go around.
So long.
No. Okay, so that's the fence there. There's a blue sheet block for the pool. What it looks like from up here. So yesterday we had albori chicken. Tonight we're just preparing some steak, some sirloin. We're gonna have this with pap and chakalaka. That's the meal for tonight. The fire is already, I think the fire is ready. Mariki is busy there with the pap, and she's also making some salsa for us. You want a minute?